This is your outer thigh and inner thigh machine, and I'll show you how to set it up for inner thigh. First thing you want to do, it's the easiest if you just step in here and sit down. To change it from outer thigh to inner thigh, it's easiest in the machine. You'll just lift up on the red handle and bring it all the way back to where it says inner thigh. Next thing you'll want to change is these cushions. Just rotate them around where they are now facing inward. Lifting your leg up and over. From here, hands just in your lap and just going in and out here. And that's your inner thigh. This is your outer thigh and inner thigh machine, and I'll show you how to set it up for outer thigh. First thing you want to do is you want to make sure it's next to the sticker that says outer thigh with this red handle here. To step in, you'll just step in through here and sit down. For outer thigh, you'll want your cushions where they are facing on the outside on both. Your hands can just be here in your lap and then going all the way out and back in. And that's your outer thigh.